it's the 4th of October 2022 and we have Kumianpää 1 staircase here. This is in Laajasalo, Helsinki, Helsingin, Finland. The staircases here are from A to H, 8 of them. I'm gonna get them all filmed, but there's also I and J, but they're with 3 floors, no elevators.
Yeah.
And this was built in 1967 as well, built in, turning 55 years old this year in 2022. Will be from the beginning of 1967. The December is 14957. It will be expected in 2024. This has 2 rides. I love the smell in here.
Niissä pitääkin väiskyttää, että me ei teet passilla.
This is going to be about 60 years old when the light rail line will be finished.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you.
That's
Go to the rest of the staircases.